Do you want to speak better English, but you don't have anyone to practice with? No friend to talk to. No partner. No class. Don't worry. Today, I will show you how to practice speaking English by yourself. Many people think you need a partner to practice speaking. But this is not true. You can improve your speaking alone every day. Let's learn 4 simple ways. First, talk to yourself. Describe what you see. Describe what you do. I am walking to the kitchen. I am making coffee. It feels strange at first. But it works. Think about Huey. Every morning, Huey talks to himself in English. He describes his breakfast. He describes his plans for the day. At first, it felt silly. But after a few weeks, speaking English felt more natural to him. Second, read aloud every day. Choose a short article or a page from a book. Read it out loud, slowly, and clearly. This trains your mouth to make English sounds. It also helps you learn new words in a natural way. Third, record your voice and listen back. Use your phone. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Talk about anything, your day, your dream, your favorite food. Then, listen to the recording. You will notice mistakes. You will notice good parts too. This is one of the fastest ways to improve. Fourth, ask yourself questions and answer out loud. Think of a question like, what did you do today? Then answer it out loud in full sentences. This is like a mini interview with yourself. It helps you think and speak quickly, without waiting for someone else. So, remember 4 simple ways to practice speaking alone. Talk to yourself. Read aloud every day. Record your voice and listen back. Ask yourself questions and answer out loud. You do not need a partner to improve. You only need practice and yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.